Hello students, welcome to new topic. Our today's topic is my elder brother. This is class 5 subject English and this is grammar worksheet for your different types of exam. So let's start one by one. In first question, Indian Council of Child Welfare started National Bravery Award in which year National Bravery Award is started? It is 1957. So option B is correct answer 1957. Okay. Then question number 2. Brave children are being awarded on 2nd October, 5th August, 26th January. The answer will be 26th January. Option C is correct answer. Okay. Then question number 3. Rhyming word with chatter is. Rhyming word here is written matter, mother, rather, successor. The correct answer is rhyming word of chatter is matter. So option A is correct answer. So you need to take here. Then find the opposite word for quiet. Quiet opposite word is silent, generous, chatter or calm. The opposite of quiet is chatter. Option C is correct answer. Then question 5. Which of the following words describes the nature of someone? Here is given option cheerful, naughty, careless or all of the above. The answer is all of the above. So you need to take option D. Then question 6. Find the meaning of discussion. Sitting, walking, talking together or eating. The answer is talking together. Option C. The meaning of discussion is walking together. Talking together. Then question number 7. Who awards the brave children? The answer is Prime Minister of India, President of India, Education Minister of India or Supreme Court of India. The answer is Prime Minister of India. Then let's check question number 8. Children who honored with the bravery award ride on which animal in the Republic Day parade? Horse, camel, elephant or ox? The answer is elephant. So option C is correct answer. Student, I request to at first write the question with option in your copy. Then let's check answer one by one and tick. Okay. And if you are new in this channel, subscribe the channel so you can got all the class up to the time. Okay. Then let's check question number 9. Opposite of brave is. Brave opposite it coward. Yes, you are right. Option A is correct answer. Then choose the correct spelling. Discussion, discussion, discussion or discussion. The spelling is discussion. DISCUSSION. So option B is correct answer. Okay. Let's check question number 11. Synonym of a sweet dish is dessert, 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 dessert. Student, here is written all dessert, but we need to correct spelling DESSERT. Where is given DESSERT? It is given in option B. Okay. The question 12. The opposite of believe is unbelievable, unbelieved, not believed, not disbelieved. The answer is what? The opposite of believe is unbelievable. So option B is correct answer. Okay. Then question 13. Which of the following word mean tired and fed up? Exhaust, opinion, cluttered or naughty? The answer is exhaust. Okay, so option A is correct answer. Okay. Then in question number 14, choose the correct word to fill in the following blank. Please wait with me dash the bus arrives and till the or a. The answer is till. So option B is correct answer for the question number 14. Okay. Then question 15. Choose the correct word to fill in the following blank. It is dash to cross the road during peak traffic hours. Easy, careless, happy, or impossible? The answer is impossible. So option D is correct answer. Okay, let's check question number 16. Give the suitable word for known to you. Familiar, grizzled, astonished, or strange? The answer is familiar. So option A is correct answer for question number 16. Okay, let's check question number 17. Where should we throw away the trash? In the park, in dustbin, kitchen, or bedroom? You know this answer very easy. It is in dustbin. Then question number 18. What do you mean by pressure? Pleasure, feeling of enjoyment, feeling of sadness, shared, and crying? The answer is the meaning of by pleasure means feeling of enjoyment. Option A is correct answer. Then in question 19, identify the adjective. Zoya is very honest girl. The adjective is here honest, because adjective means who describe the different behavior or the different things. Okay, then in question 20, this is our last question from this video. Pick the word on out from the following: hat, street, mat, bat. Student, these three is rhyming word, but this is different, so our answer is street. Okay student, so this 20 question for today's class. I hope it is helpful for your study. So we will meet our next class. Thank you all of you.